And the press will be feel, don't try them. And you need first to blow. Ladies and gentlemen, my job this morning is to make you laugh. If you are not laughing, it's not because I'm not funny. Check my record. It could be that your domestic issues is bigger than my job. At that point, you don't need a comedian, you need a pastor. That will help you. Two Baba can know. Do not settle. Look at all these people where they follow us. And then they hate us now. You're a gentleman. I love you small. And the truth is, there's something you do that I don't like. I was worried they gave me hospitality. But that's superstar. I was in Benin, they gave me Canadian. And I heard that the best hospitality come from me in your area. Now when you visit a very good person, he will give you his wife from behind. I will say, let's look at him. I will come to my house tonight. You live in the mansion. Just 1 minute. And he said, the truth. Let me know the truth. Talk to the Lord and stop. I'll tell you something about this man. Two whiskey. Number one, that's for your mama. My family love you. But you know, man, international star. You know, the first time I saw you in Ghana, any department is a whiskey that's not looking low. Carry our first. Tiwa, you are baby forever. What's the meaning of that sugar cane store? I'm not betting on the people who the money these days. I'm not to bring my strong. To own the portion of the choose toilet, you know. You have He said, well, how do you make money? He said, I'm not telling you. He said, you don't believe me? I said, well, he went like the man. I said, state and shall I will stop. He said, I read. Two, you will not be. I read. He said, this woman has a right to speak to everybody for money locally. And I said, it's international, what is it? Right from Brazil, I shouted, I'm okay! Give to us something I can catch. No, I'm not trying to say you do stuff, but when I go by that song, I suspect you. When you visit, they start up the place to make dance. Dance like now. When you make me suspect, you say, if you ever say that, do this. But don't write your face.